Thank you very much. This is an address presented on the occasion of a congratulatory visit to the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Chief Nyesom Wike, CON, by members of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Rivers State, on Thursday, 26th October 2023. Your Excellency, this is a representative delegation of members of the All Progressive Congress in Rivers State. On this delegation are leaders and local government area chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC, in Rivers State. We are here to congratulate His Excellency, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Chief Nyesom Wike, CON, on your appointment as a Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, specifically in charge of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT. We also thank you for the monumental support you gave our All Progressive Congress APC presidential candidate, His Excellency Bola Tinubu, GCFR, in the last election, and urge you to continue to support and work towards the success of the administration and Nigeria. We are aware that your support for our presidential candidate was predicated on your deep concern for justice, equity, and fairness of the Nigerian state. This is the first time a Rivers person is charged with the responsibility of managing the affairs of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, at this highest policy level. This is an indication of the confidence reposed in you by Mr. President. Honorable Minister, as we congratulate you today, we have no doubt in your capacity to deliver on the mandate of your office, consolidate on the support of Mr. President and the All Progressive Congress APC to protect Rivers' interests as well as promote national unity. Honorable Minister, the second reason we are here is to thank His Excellency President Bola Tinubu, GCFR, for his confidence in appointing a Rivers son to this exalted office, and urge you to deploy your vast experience and track record to bear in the discharge of your duties. For us, we assure Mr. President of the loyalty and support of Rivers APC members for the achievement of the renewed hope agenda. Again, it is our hope that through this visit, the Honorable Minister, more Rivers sons and daughters will be given more position of responsibility at the national level, particularly to All Progressive Congress APC members who also worked hard for the realization of the renewed hope agenda. Furthermore, we are hopeful that the Honorable Minister will use this opportunity not only to ensure that we are carried along with other tendencies to promote inclusivity, build unity, peace, and consensus in the Rivers political space and the larger socio-economic ecosystem. In all, on behalf of the delegation, let me again thank the Honorable Minister of the FCT, Chief Nyesom Wike, CON, for this audience, as we assure you of the friendship and support of the All Progressive Congress members in Rivers State. We also look forward to the inclusion of our members in all further appointments, even as we continue to consolidate on the gains of this novel understanding and partnership. Once again, congratulations, Honorable Minister, on behalf of APC in Rivers State. Long live the FCT, long live Rivers State, and long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
The National Vice Chairman of the All Progressive Congress and members of your delegation, members of my team, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, let me sincerely thank the National Vice Chairman for arranging this thank you to courtesy visit. This meeting would have held before now, but of course, you know how tight it is for me. I was praying that this today would not shifted. I was just praying. Luckily, after the court matter, we had to go to the filial and then finished on time. If not, today would have also been shifted. Let me say clearly, and to the hearing of everybody, we owe a duty to continue to support Mr. President, irrespective of the political party we belong. It is not hidden of my position, and I owe nobody any apologies. That I stand for equity, I stand for fairness, and I stand for justice. I thank God today that the battle has ended to the glory of God. We are all members of the Nigerian state. And therefore, it is important for all of us to also understand that Nigerian state does not belong to any particular person or particular group. A country of this nature requires that if A takes, the next opportunity should go to B. Inclusivity. So I'm not going to discriminate. I'm here for Nigerians. I'm here for those who are members of political parties and those who are not members of any political party. Mr. President having emerged is not the president of APC. He's the president of Nigeria. While he's governing Nigeria, he must also take the interests of his political party. That way nobody can stop it. It's natural. But governance, every Nigerian must benefit from it. And to say that for our state, time has also come, we must understand the politics of the country in order to make us move forward. So many states have benefited it. We must also not lose out. We must understand that party is a vehicle that takes you to a place. When once you get to where you are going to, you come out from the vehicle. The interest of Rivers State is key. It's not the interest of you as a person. It's the interest of our state. What will benefit our state is what we must always project. Most states put themselves together and say, look, as it is now, where are we going to benefit? Where will Rivers State be? So where we are today. But I'm not a member of the APC. But I believe that the support for Asuwaji is necessary. Looking at all the candidates from the South, I knew that there was nobody that would beat Asuwaji. Capacity, political will to take action, he has it. And he has started showing that love for Rivers State. Let me assure you, without the EV you're asking, I've been discussing with you about appointment of some of your members. I've been discussing. It's just that you just made it public now. Let you not look as if it was because you know who I've been discussing. And I said, we should have like 4 or 5 names. I thought you would have told them that when they are back, that you need to submit that so that next appointments will be included. You have problems. If you have problems, let me know. Don't say you are APC. Don't say you are PDP. Don't say, no, don't do that. You don't do that. Benefit that other people get in Abuja. You see, let me know. I'm not a politician of self. I'm not a politician of self. I'm a politician of all of us. Most of you worked for Aswaju. Those who didn't work for Aswaju will know. It was not hidden. It was not hidden. It was clear. Those that didn't work for him are those who go to television and talk too much. I don't understand where in my conscience I know I didn't do this thing. And then I'm going on television to say it is very unfair. It's unfair. Let people know that Rivers State have come to maturity where politics should not be dividing us. Your brother is in a position to help. You say, oh, no, I won't go. If I go there and they say I have the camp. What kind of politics is that? What kind of politics? Whom are you doing now? In other places, when they finish playing politics, everybody come together. In our own, after election, we continue to divide. What are we benefiting from? What are we benefiting from? So let me say from today, see yourself as a Rivers person that must benefit from what is happening in Nigeria. See yourself. Because when I see some of you who are my friends, maybe because of one person you cannot even greet. What kind of you are married, you have children, and then when you see somebody, you turn your face. What kind of thing is that? I like to be proud to say that when I was an authority, this was what I did for my people. It gives me happiness. Now, when I was there, I contributed this. Not me, only me. Nobody does that. Any politician that does that, then he doesn't want to survive. Because at the end of the day, you need people. At the end of the day, you need people. So, be assured that all of us are working together for President Bola Tinubu. I'm sure in the next election, those who scored 2,000 will not get 50 votes again because they have nothing to give anybody again. All our vote will go for President Tinubu. So I thank you very much. It's been a very tight day. I wish it was a weekend, but we'll continue to interact. Even when I come back to Port Harcourt, I'll find some of you and we'll discuss and we'll find out where we think your own small businesses. You see, what you must do, everybody cannot have appointment. So have it at the back of your mind. But if you think you can do this, you can do that, you let us know, then we'll put it up. Those that cannot benefit from appointment can benefit from business. That's what it's done. So thank you for coming. And know that we also have to support the government and the state. Because if the government fails, everybody has failed. Our prayer is not that somebody should not do well. Our prayer is somebody should do well so that the state and the country can move forward. By the time you know that politics has started again. And next year now you see that the government has gone to 1 year. When government is up to 1 year, government is not preparing. So we don't have the time. So I thank you so much and be assured that everything I say here will be implemented. Everything I said here will be implemented. So once more, thank you. And may God lead you back safely. I hope you're not all going back today. So Victor. Victor is the charge. Victor is the charge. Frankly speaking, because today is very, very tight. Very, very tight. I didn't know the judgment would come today. If I now want to put it today, because I have to rush back to the every appointment was put off. Even the emir of Lafia, he was supposed to have the first court call. But since I was in court, so they have to put off that. His one time was 12, but I was still in court by 12, so it's okay, put it off. Well, keep this one anyhow it is, taking from where you are coming from far, but I think we'll have more time to see. Thank you very much.